Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. So Mike named this Cruella. We're going to take her for a little spin today. Wish me luck. Neutral.
Pull it out here now. And then... No, don't. Leave the head. Leave it. It's against compression. Hold it. Okay.
That was without touching the accelerator.
Go into the corner. Start swinging, swing hard. Stand by, come more, come a little bit more. More, okay, stop. Lots of space. Okay, you can reverse again. You're good. I think what we do is we go up first and then down. You've got a meter. Go. Okay, go out straight, then come back, and then we'll go up. Okay, stand by, let me see for cars. All good. Okay. Now reverse back that way. Reverse back, and then we go up the hill. More. You're good. We've got 2 meters. We're good. No, just go back more. I'm coming with you. I'm just gonna wait. Okay, leave it there for a minute. I've got to do one thing more before we go. Okay, I'm gonna stop it, eh?
She's looking nicely in the sun. Guys, I don't know really what to say. Small things needs to be done still, like you need to cover up there, and when these things go up, there's a bit of a gap there that needs to close. We need this strip in the back here.
Yeah.
This is just temporary, just to protect it. We still have to put the proper stuff there, and it needs to move back. It shouldn't be on the radiator like that. She came out nice. Oh, it's already starting to crack there. Gonna need another polish and a touch up. Looks like it. Looks better. This side we also need that strip. because I don't know if I'm ever gonna drive this car with the top up, eh?
Is the petrol gauge working? Oh sure, but wow.
I put in the other day, yeah.
The speedo is not working, is it? Andy coming with or staying?
No, he's staying because if we break down, he must come and fucking fetch us. Okay, let's go. Let's go, buddy.
Hatches, harnesses, electrics, throttle friction nuts, everything cool. Alright, let's see how it goes now. How do you feel? Let's go forward and test the brakes a bit. Yeah, we're good. We're good. Hey, we're even wheel spinning, bro.
I can see in the mirror now.
Very good. Now just test the brakes here. You see, the suspension feels better already at the back.
Feels a lot better than the Mark IV, eh?
Okay, slowly.
Here's it.
Slowly. And the steering I think is okay too. But it's
Why is this thing so...
I don't know. I must fix that still. The steering wheel must come back more. But we got brakes, bro. Huh?
Yeah.
How do they feel compared to the Mark IV?
Cock. Like
See, there's
bicycle
something is squeaking or something. I don't know what. Is it now on brakes? Let go of the brakes. Something is still. I don't know. You're a Brit. Oh, we're going to put some petrol. These brakes must wear in. Don't brake at the last minute, just in case. You want to go and put petrol now?
Yeah.
At least I think the clunking at the back is gone. How much more do you want me to record now? And the vacuum advance also works.
You can stop it.
For the timing. So yeah, we're having the second attempt on a lovely day. There's still a few squeaks and rattles, but are you feeling more confident now?
It's very bumpy, eh?
Yeah, it's bumpy, but
That's good. Good battling.
temperature's alright.
But the gears are going lekker.
Yeah.
I can change gears easy.
Give a bit more foot.
Wish the speedo works. But tell me where I must turn, eh?
Yeah, you can go still quite a lot further. We take some photo shoots later on. How cool is this? A beautiful day. Say, how's it to your dad up in heaven? Super cool. Super fucking cool.
It takes corners
Well, kind of.
much better than the Mark IV.
Hey, the speedo's working again.
Yeah, but
Was
do you
it
think
Jaguar?
I'm only, is it miles?
I don't know.
Oh, that's miles per hour.
Or is it just stuck now? Let me see. Okay, wait. Co-pilot's in the
I'll
way.
get it in sync.
Hey, it is working. Go a bit faster.
The corners is preventing me from going a bit faster.
Oh, no, something wrong with the speedo. It is turning, but I've got to check this out. I've got to take it out and put the water stains in.
No leaks. No leaks! Yay!
Do me a favor, now that it's standing here, just turn the steering straight. I want to know what the I want to see.
Oh, there is a problem. This part is missing. Making one from the top.
That's why it was rattling, and that's why the
Oh,
suspension
for
was
the
probably
bottom
bouncing.
goes in like this. Alright.
Yeah, so we're making these shims out of an old caliper, actually off an XJ6 Jag, because somehow the other ones seem to be gone, and that's hardened steel, so that should work.
More fucking refitting of the back bumper. Right, it doesn't end now. The bumper wasn't in the middle and it wouldn't open the back. I'm busy sorting that out now. Yeah. Okay, so let's try again now. Okay, so we pre-fitted this now. We changed the brackets. Alright, let's open this and see if the wheel will come out now. And then we can weld it in. Is it going to work? Yeah, okay, that's cool. Alright, stick it back in. So there we go, that will work. Okay, then just double check that everything is straight. You can strap it in now. Strap it in somewhere. Then it's in. Okay, let's just double check that everything is straight. Okay. Looks like it's level, huh? I think we can hold it on like that now, yeah. The end is right.
Test it once we drop the car down.
Yeah. Okay. Shit. A couple of hours work this. Yeah, okay, so now you're welding the thing in. It works. Tidy up those brackets somehow. And that's all we can do. I don't know, somehow the brackets weren't 100% correct or something, I don't know. So there we go. Let us still tidy that up, I don't know how. Just finishing off the brackets and we'll paint them. Should look alright. Should look alright. Should look alright. Didn't think we'd have to do more welding on this car, but yeah. Right, so yeah, this is the way it is. This is the way it is. So I don't know. That's the only way we can get this thing to open and get the wheel out. So I don't know what you think, Anna. But it looks, I think it looks cool. It's quite a fucking mission to make this. Yeah, so now it's kind of level with that. And the wheel will come out. Okay, just close it again now. So we're driving up Chapman Street again on the third run. Going much better. There's no rattles. It is a little bit better, the bounciness. But maybe we've got square wheels.
But a brand new.
Temperature is nice. align, the gearbox doesn't align.